With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, write the name and of the following ligands and classify their denticity. Now, if you talk about A, which is CH3NC, what is the name of this ligand? It is actually methyl isocyanide, right? The name of the ligand is methyl isocyanide. And if you talk about the denticity of this ligand, then it is a monodentate ligand, right? This is a monodentate ligand because it donates through one site only, through one atom only. So it is a monodentate ligand, right? Now, if you talk about the second one, which is AC -1, right? AC is actually acetyl acetonato, right? Acetyl acetonato. And this acetyl acetonato is actually a bidentate ligand, right? This is a bidentate ligand because it donates through two atoms. It has two donor atoms, okay? Talking about C, this is N3 minus, and N3 minus is azido. The name of the ligand is azido, and it is a monodentate ligand only because it donates through one nitrogen atom only. And the next one, we have D, which is dien, right? Dien is diethylene triamine, right? Diethylene triamine. This is actually a tridentate ligand because it has 3 nitrogen atoms through which it donates. Okay, so it is a tridentate ligand. Now, if you talk about the E part, which is edta 4 minus. Now, edta is actually ethylene diamine tetraacetato, right? Tetraacetato, ACTATO. So this is ethylene diamine tetraacetato, and it is a hexadentate ligand, okay? It is a hexadentate ligand because it is a hexadentate ligand because it has 6 donor atoms. Hexadentate ligand, okay? Dentate ligand. So, because it donates to 6 atoms, 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen, then F part is actually your F is edta 3 minus, right? edta 3 minus means again you have ethylene diamine. Now, instead of tetra, we have triacetato because the charge is 3 minus, right? So now we have triacetato, and this is pentadentate, right? This is pentadentate. Now, if you talk about G part, what is your G part? G part is OX2 minus means oxalato, right? OX2 minus is actually oxalato. And oxalato is a bidentate ligand. It donates through its 2 oxygen atoms. Okay. Now, the next is H. Okay. Now, the H part is DMG minus. Now, DMG is dimethylglyoxime. Okay. This is dimethylglyoxime. And this is if you talk about dimethylglyoxime, it is a bidentate ligand, right? It is a bidentate ligand, okay? Now, the next one that we have is actually isocyanide, right? The next one is NC minus, okay? So, this is isocyanide. And this dimethylglyoxime is also known as dimethylglyoxymato. Okay. Now, isocyanide, and it is monodentate, right? It donates through one atom. Then the next one that we have is nitrito, right? The next one is nitrito, and this is also a monodentate ligand. This is your nitrito, right? The next one is O2 negative. Now, what is the name for O2 negative? It is oxido, right? And this is also monodendate. Then, what do we have? Sorry, this is Hij, this is K, and this will be L now. Okay, this is K, and L is, what is your L, which is the last one? This is O2 minus, which is superoxide, right? This is superoxide, and this is monodendate. Okay, this is monodendate. So, that's how we have written the names of the ligands and their denticities. Okay, that's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.